Yeah, you can keep doing start this the previous question which we were doing in the previous class. So each child will get dash kg of biryani. Complete it quickly because we'll discuss that. Enough time I've given to you, 2-3 minutes. You got 5 minutes. You got there in that period. In this period, you have got time. Okay, so now let me show you how to do this. If you see here, 8 की table में 2. See here, everyone. 8 की table में 2 आना is impossible. Okay, so 8 भी लोगे आप. We will take 2 digits, but we will take 2 digits तो point के बाद वाला भी आ रहा है. तो आप क्या करोगे? क्वेश्चन में आप पहले point लगाओगे, फिर आप 2 digits लोगे, क्योंकि point के बाद वाला नंबर ले रहे हैं. That means there should be point in the quotient. 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. Minus it, and you will get 4 here, 0 here. Now you copy 6 down here, 46. 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48. 48 तो नहीं आता, but 8 5s are 40 we will take. 40. Subtract it, we will get 6 here. Then we will copy this 4 here. 8 की टेबल में 64, 8 8s are 64. 0 0. Okay, so answer correct 3 kgs. Put kgs here also and write 0.358 kilogram. Or beta, you can convert kilogram into gram also, and you can write or 358 gram. This is also correct. Okay, send me your answers, everyone, quickly, jaldi se. I hope you all understood here. Done, everyone? Take a screenshot of it if you have not done it. If you have not done it, take a screenshot of it. I'm going to rub it. Okay, now next question. Girl, read the fourth question.
Okay, ma'am.
Read it, beta. Divyanshu, you read.
1 minute, ma'am.
Divyanshu, you read.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in a day, 150 ml of milk is filled in a bottle. How many liters of milk is needed to fill 60 bottles?
In a dairy, see, in a dairy, 150 ml of milk is filled in a bottle. Okay, a dairy is there. In that dairy, let me bring one, suppose, in a bottle. How many liters of milk needed to fill 60 bottles? Suppose, wait a minute, I'm here only. See, suppose this is a bottle. What is this? This is a bottle. Okay, this is a bottle. In this bottle, 150 ml of milk is coming. How much milk is coming in this bottle? 150 ml of milk is coming in this bottle. Now, how many liters of milk is needed? Now, I have to fill 60 bottles of this kind. In this bottle, 150 liter of milk is there. Now, I need to fill 60 bottles of this kind. I need to fill 60 bottles. So, you need more milk or less milk?
Ma'am? More milk.
More milk. And for more, we used to multiply, divide, or what? Which of it?
Multiply.
You will multiply 150 by 60. 150 ml को आप multiply करोगे 60 में, तो आपके पास आंसर भी ml में ही आएगा, मिलीलीटर में ही आएगा आंसर भी. अब उसको आपको बताना है लीटर्स में उसको कन्वर्ट करना है. ये आपके पास 60 बॉटल्स का मिल्क आ गया, 60 बॉटल्स का मिल्क आ गया. सपोज एक देयर इज वन बिग बॉटल, उसमें आ गया है 150 मिली, वो आपका मिलीलीटर्स में आया है. उसको आप कन्वर्ट कर दोगे लीटर्स में. क्यों कन्वर्ट करोगे? रीड इन द बुक. Read in the book. What is the question given to you? How many liters of milk is needed? How many liters of milk is needed? It is given. कि आपको कितना लीटर मिल्क चाहिए है ना? इट इज गिवन लाइक दैट कि कितना लीटर मिल्क चाहिए. लीटर्स में पूछा है, मिलीलीटर्स में नहीं पूछा है. दैट मीन्स वट एवर द आंसर विल कम, you will convert it into liters. Take a screenshot of it if you have not done it. Because I'm going to rub this. Because I'm going to rub this. हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, means in this question we have to convert milliliter into liters.
Yes. First of all, take out the answer in milliliter. आंसर निकाल लो. आपको पता है एक बोतल में 50 लीटर मिल्क आ रहा है, 150 ml मिल्क आ रहा है, 150 मिलीलीटर मिल्क आ रहा है. अब आपको ऐसी 60 बॉटल्स चाहिए. 60 बॉटल्स में फिल करना. ऑब्वियसली यू विल मल्टीप्लाई, and if you will multiply you will get a big number, and that big number you have to convert into liters. Okay, I'm going to rub this now. See, you can write quantity of milk in one bottle also. Simply you can write milk in one bottle. How much milk is there in one bottle?
Ma'am, 150 ml.
150
Ma'am, 150 ml.
150. Very good. Just give me a sec. Okay, 150 ml. Now you have to take out your milk in how many bottles? How many bottles?
Ma'am, 60.
60 bottles. You have to take out milk in 60 bottles. In 60 bottles, there will be 150 ml multiplied by 60. Okay, just multiply 150 by 60. Simply 15 को आप 6 से multiply कर लो, put last two zeros. 15 को 6 से multiply कर दो, कितना होता है 15 6 Or you can simply not do this multiplication part also. You can just do it simply here. 15 6 कितना होता है? As you wish. It's all up to your wish. आप ऐसे करना चाहते हो, डायरेक्ट आंसर लिखना चाहते हो, आप डायरेक्ट आंसर लिख दो यहाँ पर. और if you want to do the multiplication, you can just do the multiply. 15 की आप 6 से multiply करो. How much you will get?
Ma'am, 90.
90. 15 6 is 90. Okay, and put this 0 and 0 in the last. 9,000 ml. Now what you have to do, you have to convert this 9,000 ml to liters. ठीक है, 9,000 ml को आपको L में कन्वर्ट करना है लीटर्स में. कैसे करोगे? मल्टीप्लाई करोगे या डिवाइड? टेल मी. ml को L में.
Ma'am, divide.
आप देखो, if you remember the table L, DL, CL, ML. ML को L में कन्वर्ट करना है. ML को L में कन्वर्ट करना है. What will you do? पीछे आ रहे हो ना? पीछे आते तो क्या करते हैं? What we will do when we come back? We divide.
Ma'am,
Divide by how many zeros? Divide by how many zeros? L, DL, CL, ML होती है. How many zeros?
Ma'am, 3.
1.
Ma'am, we divide.
2, 3 by 3 zeros.
Ma'am, 1000.
तो आप क्या करोगे? 1 2 3 से पहले 1 2 3 से पहले put a point. 0.009 liters. Okay.
Ma'am, we have also do this.
Yes, obviously you have to do this. और चाहो तो ये टेबल पे लिख लो साइड में. L, DL, CL, ML. अच्छा, do one thing. I'm rubbing from here again. यहाँ से अपने आप. Try to do this yourself. Okay. Now try to do this yourself.
Ma'am, ma'am, now you will write the source statement.
Yes, I will write it, but पहले आप उतना करो change जो मैंने बताया. पहले आप उतना करो. Then I'll write the source statement
I
after.
have done this.
So write the source statement yourself. This is very easy. Source statement here is very easy. You can write it on your own. अपने आप भी लिख सकते हो. You can write it on your own. Source statement. Let me start. So here it was coming 9000 ml. बेटा बी don't get confused. ये 9000 आ रहा है तो ये ml है तो ये ml में ही आपका आंसर आएगा. अब you have to convert 9000 ml to liters. तो आप कैसे करोगे? You have to convert 9000 ml to liters. Okay, just give me a minute. अब आपको 9000 ml को लीटर्स में कन्वर्ट करना है तो कैसे करोगे? 9000 को you have to divide by 1000. Okay, when you divide it by 1000 you will get 9.000 liters. Okay, understood? So the so statement will be, so 9 liter of milk is needed to fill 60 bottles. Understood? Yadrika raised her hand first. Pratishta, you read.
Okay, ma'am. A racing car does 25 laps of a 200-meter track. How many kilometers has it covered it?
So I hope you all like racing games. You have all already played racing games. There are laps in racing games. You know that?
Yes, ma'am.
I think most of you have done this, played this running games, right? So there is laps, LAPS laps. That first lap, first level if you cross, that is the first lap, then second lap, then third lap. So how many laps does it have? A racing car is there. Okay. Car does 25 laps of 200-meter track. There is a track. मतलब पूरा एक बार क्रॉस करके आ गई वो, दूसरी बार क्रॉस करके आ गई, like this. एक laps like it. One covered the car, second lap, third lap. So how many total one track is of how many meters? 200 meter का lap है. One track is of 200 meter. अब आपको बताना है कि if it takes 25 laps, मतलब वो 25 टाइम्स उसके ऊपर जाकर आती है वो कार, 25 इट क्रॉस्ड, हाउ मच इज द किलोमीटर्स डज इट कवर? किलोमीटर्स का मतलब है इसमें डिस्टेंस. तो पहले आप एक काम करते हैं, तो हाउ विल यू कैलकुलेट? पहले किलोमीटर्स नहीं, आप मुझे ये बताओ हाउ मच टोटल डिस्टेंस इट विल ट्रैवल इन 25 लैप्स. हाउ विल यू कैलकुलेट इट? अ कार इज देयर, सपोज दिस इज वन ट्रैक. ठीक है, इस ट्रैक के प्रकार जाती है 1 टाइम, 2 टाइम, 3 टाइम, 4 टाइम, 5 टाइम, 6 टाइम, 7 टाइम, 8 टाइम, and it crosses 25 times, and this track is of 200 meter. How will you calculate how much distance total it has been covered?
And we will multiply.
Multiply what by what?
Ma'am, 25 into 200.
25 into 200, because see, one lap is of 200 meter, so 25 laps will be of 25 multiplied by 200 meters. आप एक बार जाते हो 200 मीटर, दो बार जाते हो तो 400, 3 टाइम्स जाते हो तो 600, 4 टाइम्स जाते हो तो 800. That means you have to do it 25 times. That means you have to do it 25 times. Then 25 times means that means you have to multiply by 25. Okay, understood? Anybody is having any doubt? Anybody is
No,
having
ma'am.
any doubt? Is there anyone who is having any
No,
doubt?
ma'am.
No one? Okay, let's start now. Okay, so what will you do here? Right answer O here. Okay. Right. What will be the first statement? Can somebody tell me? Any one of you can tell me the statement? It's of page number 112. Anybody of you can tell me the statement?
No.
Any one of you can tell me the statement? Ridyansh, can you tell me the statement? Huh?
Ma'am, the length of the track.
Very good, excellent. Length of the track.
Ma'am,
Is
this is
equals to
question
how much?
5.
200 meters.
And this is question 5.
Sorry, beta. Sorry. I've not changed the question. I'm so sorry, beta. Erasing से लेकर dot you have put and cover. Length of the track.
Ma'am, this second statement will be
Hmm.
the car. How much laps does the
Beta,
car
how
cover?
much? Beta, how much we do not use in the statements. The word how much we will not use. What we will use then? We know
Ma'am, the car covered. So, ma'am, the statement will be the car covered how many?
How many भी यूज नहीं करते बेटा. How many आपने इंग्लिश में पढ़ा होगा. You have read this in English. Ma'am taught you. How many or how much we don't use in answers. How many? हाँ. You say Rehansh.
Number of laps.
Number of laps 25. Okay, that you can say that is correct. So we can
Ma'am,
take
the
length of 25 laps. You can
covered
simply
the
say
car.
beta length of 25 laps. और जो आप लोग बता रहे हो वो भी ठीक है. That suppose Rehansh is saying number of laps is equals to 25. He is also correct. And Adrika, what are you telling beta? How many use नहीं करेंगे? Otherwise you are also correct. We don't use how. Akshat, what are you doing? You are not doing the work, Akshat.
I say that the numbers of laps covered by the car.
हाँ ठीक है. is equal to 25 लिखना आप उस वाली स्टेटमेंट में. फिर आपको एक स्टेटमेंट और ऐड करनी पड़ती. Length of 25 laps. So I'm directly doing length of 25 laps is equals to how much? 200 multiplied by 25 meters.
Ma'am, your video is.
200 meter multiplied.
Ma'am, your video is stopped.
My video is stopped.
So, ma'am, it's working properly.
200 meter multiplied by 25. All right. Then what you will do? 200 को बेटा 25 से multiply कर दो. 200 मीटर को 25 से multiply कर दो. 200 मीटर को नहीं करना है. Only multiply 25 by 2. Put zeros in the end. Or you can do one thing here. Directly you can multiply 25 by 2 here in the rough. आपको सिर्फ 2 को 25 से multiply करना है बस. That's it. 25 को आप 2 से multiply करो. And get your answer. Get your answer and tell me what is it coming. You're getting the answer as 50. Okay, 50. And put 1 0, 2 0 in the end, 2 zeros in the end, meters. 5,000 meter. Very good. Okay, so you are getting 50 here, so 5,000 meter. Now, if you read the question here, they are asking how many kilometers it has covered. You know the answer in meters. You know answer in meter. Now you have to convert this meter into kilometers. Now you have to answer this meter into kilometer. Give me a second. So now what you have to do, you have to convert this 5,000 meter into kilometer, because in question they are asking you question in kilometer. 5,000 meter is equals to 5,000 divided by, sorry, when you divide kilometer, wait a second. 5,000 को आपको convert करना है kilometers. मीटर को convert करना है किलोमीटर में. If you say km, hm, dan, am. This was the table. In this table, if you see, from where does it come? This to this. मीटर को आपको क्या करना है? मीटर को आपको क्या बनाना है? किलोमीटर्स. मीटर्स को आपको क्या बनाना है? किलोमीटर्स. When we have to make meters to kilometers, meters को हम kilometers में change करते हैं. We used to divide or multiply. What?
Ma'am, divide.
Divide, because we are coming this side. Divide by how many zeros?
3.
By 3. See the difference. 1,
Ma'am,
2,
3.
3. 3 gaps are there. That means divided by 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. So answer will be 5.000 kilometers. That means 5 kilometers. So you will write in the end. So it will cover 5 kilometers. It has covered 5 kilometers. So it ki jagah you can use the word car. So car has covered. So car has covered 5 kilometers. Do it. Complete this one jaldi se quickly. A factory is there. See the next question. A factory produces 230 bottles of sauce in a day. Suppose these are the sauce bottles. So factory is producing 230 bottles like this every day. A factory is producing how many bottles? These bottles, 230 bottles like this. 1, 2, 3. How many total does it produce? 230 bottles it is producing every day. In one day. Sorry. One day में ये 230 bottles बना देती है factory. If each bottle has 80 ml of sauce, एक bottle में in this one bottle there is 80 ml sauce. Now how many liters of sauce produced daily? अब you have to tell, अब एक bottle में अगर 80 ml है तो सारी bottles में total कितना होगा? How will you calculate it? One bottle में there is 80 ml of sauce. One bottle में 80 ml sauce है. See, one bottle is there. One bottle में there is 80 ml of sauce. ठीक है? And there are 230 bottles like this. कितनी bottles है ऐसी? 230 bottles है ऐसे. कितनी bottles है? Total 230 bottles है ऐसे. So आपको बताना है कि सारी 230 bottles में total कितना होगा? One day में कितना produce होता है? How will you calculate it?
And
हाँ.
divide.
नहीं. अरे बेटा, एक में 80 ml आ रहा है, आपको 230 bottles में बताना है. कितना आएगा? Tell me. हाँ रेहान.
Ma'am, we multiply.
Yes.
Ma'am, multiply.
Yes. अगर आपको 1 का पता है, you have to calculate for many, then you will do the multiplication. Okay. Then you will do the multiplication.
Okay.
See. Wait a second.
Ma'am, only 1 minute left.
कोई बात नहीं, कर लोगे. Next period भी तो मेरा है. Question number 1. Sorry. Question number 6.
And 6.
6. A factory से लेकर put ... sign in between and write daily. ठीक है? How much time is left? Okay, we can write down. Okay, what we can write down? Sauce in 1 bottle. Quantity of sauce in 1 bottle. आप अपना statement भी form कर सकते हैं. I don't have any issue if you want to write, but it should be correct. How much or जैसे Adrika was telling me how much or how many, that we don't use. Okay. Quantity of what?
Ma'am.
Sauce in 1 bottle, 80 ml, like this, and we have to quantity of sauce in how many bottles they are asking? 230 bottles. 230